Hello kids, how are you? Good. Let's continue with the next topic. So today we will learn about that greater than and less than equal to. So what is that? Greater than sign is that which is like a face of the crocodile. So where we need to open it? So let's learn about simple way. So we have two numbers like 5 and 7. So when we need to compare these two numbers, we need to put the greater than sign or less than sign or equal to sign. So these are the three ways. So first we having 5 and 7. So which number is big? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number is come first? 5 is come first, then 7 is come next. So which one is the greater one? 7 is greater, so crocodile will eat big one. So it will like this. And then 6 and 5 we need to compare. Which one is coming first? 6 is coming first, then 7 is coming first. So 5 is coming first, then 6 is coming next. So which one is the big? 6 is the big, so crocodile will eat 6. Then 5 is also, if you can see, 5 is here, so both are equal, so we will put equal sign. Okay kids, you understood? Then let me know, solve on your copy notebook like this: 7, 8, 3, 9 and 6. Which one is come? Okay kids, solve this. Okay, so we will read what is written over. Which number is greater 7 or 10? We can identify the greater number using a number line. As we can see that 7 is come here and 10 is come here. Which one is big? So 10 lies on the right side of the 7. So right. So 7 is, so 10 is greater than 7. So we write is 10 greater than 7. So crocodile will eat 10. Next is less than. Which number is smaller? We need to find the smaller number, 35 or 53. We compare the numbers using a number line. We will write 32, 56. Then find 34 and 53. 34 lies on the left side of the 53. So which here? Left. So 34 is smaller than 53. So we write less than sign. So crocodile will eat 53. If the two number equal to sign, if the two numbers given are same, we say that the numbers are equal. If two numbers are equal, we can say that 7 is equal to 7. Right is 7 equal to 7. Equal sign means both roads come together. They come here, they come here. You can write this 7 is here, this 7 is here. No matter. So next example is, are the numbers 19 and 91 equals? They are looking similar. They have two digits, 1919. But the placement is different. 9 is, so we can understand it by 91, 19. So 19, how we put in abacus? 10 ones. So 9. So this will look like this and this will look like this. So They are the different. This is 1's place 9, here 10's place 9. So 9 becomes 90 plus 1. So 19 and 91 not equals to 91. So we write 19 is less than 91. Okay kids, understood? Okay, let's start with writing numbers in reverse order. So we need to count it from backwards order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is the backward order of one digit numbers. 99, 98, 97 to 10. Is a reverse order of two digit numbers. Now we will learn about the new topic, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means arrangement of numbers from small number to big number. So we need to go up. In ascending we need to go up. We need to climb the stairs. Now next is descending order means arrangement of numbers from big number to small number. We need to come down in descending order. So if we have numbers like this 1, 7, 4, 5. If we need to put in ascending order, so we need to big is small to big, and if we need to write them in descending order, so we need to put big first then small. So let's write it into the ascending order. So which one is the smallest number? 1, after that 4, then 5, then 7. This is ascending order. And if we need to write in these numbers into descending order, what we need to write first? Biggest number. So what is the biggest number? 7. Then less big 5. Then small one 4. Smallest is 1. So this is descending order. We go from big to small. Okay kids? Now example, arrange the given numbers in ascending order 54, 28, 47, 87, 18, 64. So how you solve the questions, these type of question? So first we need to, if we need to arrange in the ascending order, we need to go smallest to big. So let's find all the tens places first. So which one tens places is the big? Smalls. So tens place 1 is small, so we will put 18. No, then 2, 28. After the 3 is not here, we next is 4. So 47. After that 5, 54. After that 64, then 87. Okay kids, you understood? After that, arrange these numbers in descending order. So arrange the number from the biggest to largest. So here we need to find biggest number in the tens place. So which one is the biggest? 8. So we put 84. After that 5, 56. To that 4, 45. To that 12. So 12. This is the big to small. The order is 84, 56, 45 and 12. Okay kids, bye-bye. We will start next topic just before, after and between. Thank you kids. Follow and share.